we going? Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, now we're going. All right, so this is the question. So anytime we're dealing with these area problems, we're essentially turning it into one of these quadratic equations. So I guess we're always going off of this area equals length times width. So I guess the deal is we have two different variables in here. So I guess we got to write one variable in terms of the other. I guess they tell us what the area is. They say the area is 56. So I guess I should probably go ahead and put that in. Okay, so like I said, we need to write one of these variables in terms of the other. And that's what this sentence right here is going to do. It says the length, right, so it's L, is, so equals 27 less than 5 times the width, right? It's less than 5 times the width. So if I took, the length is, if I took the 5 times the width and minus, oh gee, I already forgot what number it was. Was it 27? Then, and took away 27, you'd have the length there. Okay, well now we have this length in terms of width. You can just replace it right here and say 56 equals 5w minus 27, parentheses, of course, times w. I guess this is quadratic equation at this point, so I guess all I really want to do is clean it up, and I probably started here at the cleaned up point, and that might have been where you got confused in the last one. I just, I like to have my squareds on one side and my numbers on the other, so I just turned everything around. I also kind of like this thing in front. So you see, I just took this guy right here, and I just rewrote him like that on the other side of the equal sign. Now I'm good to go. I can distribute and solve. Right, it can't be 56, it has to be 0. Subtracting 56 from both sides of the equation. Geez. Okay, so it's 5. It's 5w and w minus minus 7, 8, I think is that. Right, that's going to be 35 minus 8. Yeah, that's 27. So after you factor it, now I can see right here that w is going to be either, what is that, negative 8/5 or 7. I guess it can't be that, so I guess you can just finish it from there, that the width is going to be 7, and the length is going to be, what's that? Well, I guess they have to multiply to 56, so I guess it's just 56 divided by 7, which is 8. So 7 times 8. I don't know. I think really it's this line right here. Oops, where that weird 5 came from. Sorry about that. It's this line right here, and it's just reading that line. Again, you notice before I barely read the area, I knew, and I just had to find this line right here. The length is 27 less than. So I guess you have to read it backwards a little bit. If you think like, I don't know, 10 less than 30, you did 30 minus 10 the other way. But yeah, once you get that line down, it's just a matter of plugging everything in and then solving them like you have been all the way through. All right, good luck.